Meaning of Grammy.
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 Grammy. The Grammy Awards, or simply the Grammys, is an annual award ceremony honoring the best achievements in the music industry. The awards are presented by the Recording Academy to recognize excellence in the recording arts and sciences. The Grammy Trophy depicts a gramophone, which represents the industry's goal of capturing and preserving sound. The first Grammy Awards ceremony was held in 1959, and the awards have since become one of the most prestigious honors in the music world. Winners receive recognition from their peers and fans, as well as heightened visibility and increased sales.